What's up everybody? Today I got a quick one for you. We're just going to learn how to disable Garmin Express on startup on your Mac computer. That way each time you start your computer, it isn't loading in the background. The first thing we're going to do is go up to the top right corner and find the Garmin Express icon, and then we're going to hit the Preferences option. If you have some similar looking icons, you'll notice that when you click the triangle, it will say Garmin Express is one of the options. That's how you know you're selecting the correct one. With the preferences up, you're now going to uncheck the Always Keep Garmin Express Running in the Background option. Now once you've done this, you'll be able to close out and it will save the settings for you. And next time you restart your computer, it will not be starting automatically. If you want to look at it in the future, you're going to have to go search for it, whether in Finder or in your applications, and then open up Garmin Express in order to be able to use it. And remember, you can always change this option back if you prefer to actually have it turn on each time you start your computer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below so I know you like what I'm doing. And of course, have a great day. See you on the trail.